around the grill, it's fantastic, but sometimes it's very difficult because we don't want the corn to be, we want the corn to be nice and tender. We want to have a nice truffle on there.
Susan is doing a fantastic job as ambassador, especially this past week when we were at the United Nations. And we are all lucky, all of America is lucky to have her representing us there. Secretary Salazar and Assistant Secretary Echo Hawk are among the best advocates you could have in Washington, and this department is doing fantastic work under their leadership. You look fantastic. To all the airmen and soldiers behind me, you guys make a pretty good photo op. We are grateful for your service. I want to thank your local leaders at Osan for welcoming me here today, including Brigadier General Michael Katz and Colonel Tom Big Deal.
And I think that is fantastic, Mr. President.
This is such a fantastic evening for me.
Fantastic.
Yeah, if we have a question from the audience, that would be fantastic.
That to be father to daughters is a fantastic experience. He who has two daughters. So I have listened to him.
I'm looking forward to seeing all the fantastic things you're going to be doing in the future. All right. Thank you very much.
It is thanks to our longtime partner Target and their support that has made today's fantastic Teen Design Fair and numerous elements of National Design Week possible for the 7th year in a row, as well as our marvelous new Cooper Hewitt Design Center in Harlem, which opened on May 12th.
Let's give a big hand to Neil Patrick Harris and this evening's performers for putting on a fantastic show.
And we had a fantastic example where Bombardier, who built a lot of things, including subways, needed advanced welding.
Fantastic, all right. But I wanted to come to Syracuse because you're doing something fantastic here with programs like Say Yes, Smart Scholars, Early College, High School. These are programs that are helping Syracuse kids get ready for college and making sure that they can afford to go.
He's also creating fantastic sculptures.
Yay. And finally, to our fantastic student speakers, Alicia, Rosemary, and Noah. Just hearing your backgrounds makes me feel like an underachiever. So thank you so much for your remarks about Brown versus Board of Ed.
Fantastic, but
that's the hysteria you're talking about, correct? Yes.